The Echoes of Callan Priory. In the quiet town of Callan, County Kilkenny, where the King's River whispers secrets of the past, the ruins of Callan Augustinian Priory stand as a testament to Ireland's medieval faith and turbulence. Though now worn by time, its stones hold tales of devotion, conflict and resilience. The birth of a priory, 1461. It was in the mid-15th century, during the reign of the Anglo-Norman Butlers, that James Butler, 3rd Earl of Ormond, granted land to the Augustinian friars. They built a grand priory, a place of worship and learning, where monks in black robes chanted prayers and tended to the sick. The priory flourished, serving both the religious and the poor, and became a beacon of faith in the heart of Kilkenny. A time of peril, 16th century. The Peace of Callan Priory did not last forever. The 16th century brought Henry VIII's dissolution of the monasteries, a campaign that saw Ireland's religious houses seized and destroyed. In the 1540s, the priory's lands were confiscated and its monks were driven out, their sacred halls abandoned to ruin. Yet, the spirit of Callan endured. Its walls stood defiant, and some say that monks continued to worship in secret, their voices blending with the wind. The Butler feud and bloodshed, 1650s. As the centuries passed, Callan saw more than just spiritual battles. During the Cromwellian conquest of Ireland in 1650, Callan became a battlefield. Oliver Cromwell's forces, ruthless in their campaign, besieged the town, massacring those who resisted. The priory, once a sanctuary, became a silent witness to the bloodshed. Even today, some claim that on stormy nights, echoes of distant battle cries can be heard among the ruins. Echoes of the past, modern times. Though the priory never regained its former glory, its skeletal remains continue to fascinate historians and visitors. The pointed Gothic windows, the remnants of the cloisters, and the tombstones of forgotten souls tell a story of faith, destruction, and endurance. Local folklore even speaks of ghostly figures wandering the site, monks who never truly left their sacred home. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment, and a sub would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.